Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you are here today with me because today I'm going to do another beauty review. I'm going to be reviewing 3 BB creams and I'm actually going to be showing you how they look like on my face, how they work on my face, the effect that they have. So I have filmed whenever I was applying these products on my face, so that I could insert little clips of me doing my daily makeup routine here to you, so you can really see what am I talking about. This is going to be like the battle of the BB creams. So I have chosen to present you 3 BB creams because I didn't want this video to be too long, and currently I have only 2 BB creams because I have used up one and I didn't want to exaggerate with face products because then they will just expire and I won't get the chance to use them up. And even though I am a beauty blogger and I love testing out new products, I do think that I need to, optimize the products that I have and just make the most out of them. I don't want to waste my money and waste the products, so that's why I kind of concentrated on these 3 that I have been using over the past couple of months or even a year, I would say. So the first is the product that I've actually used up, and it's the Estee Lauder BB cream. It's Day Wear BB cream, and as you can see I even cut open the container because that's how crazy I am. I'm very thorough when it comes to using up every single drop of my beauty products. So basically this is antioxidant beauty benefit cream and it contains sun protection filter 35. I've chosen this one in a shade light. It says it's suitable for all skin types, and I think it really is true because whenever I had more oily skin, it worked fine on me, and then in winter time when my skin was a little bit more on the dry side, it worked just as well. So I think this is very nice universal BB cream. A great thing about it is that it contains sun protection filter 35, which is very high, so I don't think you even need to apply your sunscreen in case you are just doing your everyday activities. If you're going to the beach, then definitely make sure to apply your sunscreen as well. But I think this is really nice product for everyday use, very light coverage, and I don't think you can build it up because you have to really work fast when applying this one. So it's not the best thing for a really thick, full coverage. It will just give you basically very nice sheer effect, and it will kind of beautify your skin. And what I liked about this product that it was keeping my skin at some optimal level of hydration, so that's why I liked about it. Also the sun protection filter in spring and summertime when I wasn't going to the beach but I was just going out and about doing my everyday activities, I liked knowing that my BB cream has got nice sunscreen and that it's really protecting me from the harmful UV rays, so that was really great plus. And the negative point was that it was a little bit more difficult to build it up, so you had to really work fast in applying it. This is actually the second container because I was really pleased with this one. I did a full review on this product a couple of years ago, I think, and I was so pleased with this product that I repurchased it. So the first time I was using it with my fingers and it blended really well, but the second time around I discovered this BB cream brush. It's brush specific for BB creams, and I actually got it at H&M for like 5-6 euros, but it's amazing, and I have been using this brush now for application of all of my BB creams, and I'm very happy. So I don't use my fingertips anymore, but usually I would recommend if you don't have this brush specific for BB creams, to use your fingertips when applying BB creams, because It really blends well in combination with the warmth of your fingertips, you know what I mean. It really blends well into the face. So I think that's it. That's all I wanted to say about Estée Lauder. Other negative point that it might get from me personally is that it's expensive product. It's on the high-end range, so it's quite expensive. It's good, I love it, but I don't think I will purchase it again because in the meantime I have found out some other really great BB creams, such as this one. It's original Asian BB cream. It's the Lohashill Essential Blemish Balm Super Plus BB Cream. I got this from Born Pretty store. I will put the link down below in the info box if you're interested in checking them out. So you will get 60 milliliters, which is like a huge container, because usually BB creams or foundations come in 30, 40 milliliters if you're lucky, but 60, it's really a lot. So I've had this product for a long time now, and I still have it. I mean, I have been using it recently every single day because I really want to use it up, but I still do have quite a bit of it, so I think for another month or so it will definitely be my everyday BB cream. The funny thing about this BB cream is that when you put it on your skin, it looks grey, so I was kind of scared to use it at first, and it really gives you like super thick full coverage. When I first applied it on my face, I mean when I first started applying it, it kind of looked like I'm applying a grey mask on my face, and I thought it would look totally unnatural and very weird. But then it works its magic, because in a matter of seconds it adjusts to your skin tone, and it really gives you this beautiful, very natural coverage, but yet it's like a full coverage, but your face looks really natural. So that's amazing. That's what I like about this BB cream a lot. Actually, I also like the fact that it's very inexpensive. I cannot remember the price right now, but it's definitely even more affordable than your like regular drugstore BB cream would be, so that's amazing. And it says here, the ultra light texture glides on silky smooth for flawless, natural looking coverage that leaves your skin radiant. I would disagree with ultra light texture, because it really, as I've said before, looks as if you're applying a very thick mask on your face, but then it works its magic, so I would recommend it. I don't know if I would recommend it to darker skin tones, because I just don't know if it would adapt to your skin color. This is very, you know, ashy and very light color, so it works really well on my skin tone, but I'm wearing it even now on my face, and I don't know, it just makes my skin look really perfect. One negative point that I would give to this BB cream is that you know, they said it's packed full of natural ingredients, but then all the ingredients are listed in Korean or Chinese, I can't really tell. So they didn't put translation in English, even though on the back of the packaging they did put like a little description of BB cream, of this Lohashill BB cream in English and how you can apply it. They didn't put the actual ingredients. So I don't know the ingredients in this cream, which is something that kind of bugs me. So I would suggest, if they want to expand in the European, American market, they should really try to translate the ingredients as well. Another kind of strange thing is that they actually recommend you to apply this even in the evenings, like before going to sleep, which is kind of, I don't know, strange to me, because this is definitely a makeup product, and even though it says that it will basically soothe, protect your skin from the irritation, pollution, from the stress, and it will basically be a treatment for your skin, I don't know, I don't really perceive this as a treatment, but as a makeup, so I would not recommend you to go to sleep with this on your face. You know, just take it as your makeup, so make sure to take it off in the evening. Very big plus, very big thumbs up for the Lohashill Essential Blemish Balm. I really love it. And my recent discovery that I'm actually also loving is Avon Ideal Flawless BB Cream. It's Skin Loving Beauty Balm. I'm not really sure whether they come in 2 or 3 different shades, but I picked up the lightest one, which is Shell. I think it's the lightest one. Okay, so one negative point would be that it's quite difficult to tell the actual colors of Avon product just by looking at the catalog or online. So make sure to ask for little samples before purchasing. I purchased based on my experience, because I am an experienced Avon lady. I have been Avon lady for over 10 years now, so pretty much I know which shades will work on my skin. So that's why, looking at the catalog, I picked up shade Shell, and it really works well on my skin tone. It's a little bit light, but I can definitely, you know, put some bronzer, contour, and I really like it. Basically, I really like the shade. I'm very pleased with it. It doesn't have this really strange pinkish side or orange undertone. I just really like it. It works as a perfect canvas, and then I can like work with other, you know, bronzers or highlighters, blushes, but I really need something that will be a perfect canvas for my face, and I think this is it. It comes in 30 milliliters, so it's small container. You know, comparing it to this one, it's basically twice the size of this one. But it wasn't expensive. It's definitely affordable. We're still talking about, you know, drugstore price range, and I really trust Avon brand. It's a really nice brand. I have used a lot of things from the Avon in the past. As you know, I'm Avon lady. I actually tried out this BB cream recently for the purpose of one makeup tutorial and for the purpose of this review. I really liked it. I was very happy with this BB cream because I wasn't expecting it to have such nice coverage. I thought it would be like more like daily moisturizer. Maybe I would need to build up coverage with adding even, you know, compact powder or liquid foundation on top, but this really amazed me because it does have amazing coverage. It really does have amazing coverage, and it really did cover any like rednesses or little spots that I had. So I mean, they're all BB creams, so you cannot expect this amazing coverage like for the nighttime going out coverage, but for everyday, very natural looking but like beautifying your skin, they will all perform in the great way. So I'm really loving this product. I'm not really sure whether this one is going to be on the top of my list, because it's the product that I just recently tried out and I haven't been using it that often because I'm trying to use up my Lohashill BB cream. But I definitely love it, and if it performs on my face the way it performed the first time, it will definitely climb up on my favorites list for sure. It does have sun protection filter 15, and I don't know whether this one has any sun protection filter. They didn't put anything about the sun protection filter in English, so I'm not sure about this one. So this one has got sun protection filter 15. It's a little bit lower, but still I think it's enough in especially autumn and winter time. I mean, I guess it all depends on where do you live in this world. But here in Italy, in this region, for me personally, sun protection filter 15 on my face, it's really enough even in springtime. and it's enough even in summertime if I'm not going to the beach, if I'm just doing my everyday activities. But if I'm not going to the beach, if I'm not spending my entire day in the nature. So those were the BB creams that I prepared for you for this review. As I've said, I use my H&M BB cream brush for all of these BB creams, and I'm super pleased with the application, with the results. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them to me below in the comment section. If you have any requests, leave them to me. I would love to film whatever you want to watch on my beauty channel. And also, before I go, I would like to ask you a question. What is your favorite BB cream? I'm sure by now you have all tested out at least one BB cream, so I would love to hear your recommendations. If you like this video, make sure to press thumbs up for more beauty reviews here on my channel, and make sure to share this video on your social networks with your friends and family. It really does make a difference. I am sending you all a huge kiss from Italy, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao! It's quite sheer, so you can wear your foundation on top if you're seeking for really full, thick coverage. I found out that this cream provides me a pretty good coverage, and I'm not even wearing foundation on top, and I'm not even wearing my daily moisturizer underneath.